Mercury, you're so small. You could classify as a dwarf planet.
Haha, very funny. You've told me that about 3 billion times.
Venus is correct. You know that.
I bet 10 asteroids you don't even know what dwarf planets are. Well, Venus the stupid. Here's an astronomy lesson. A planet is a celestial body that meets 3 criteria.
Which are?
It has to be orbiting the sun, it has to have enough gravity to make itself a sphere or something resembling a sphere, and it also has to have cleared its orbit from other celestial objects. A dwarf planet does not meet criteria 3. Pluto does not meet criteria 3, so it is a dwarf planet.
Oh, is that why Pluto is a dwarf planet now? Because its orbit is littered with other celestial bodies?
Yeah! There are also other dwarf planets too.
I think I've met one of them, Ceres in the asteroid belt.
He's one of them.
Wait, I think I know all of their names. Is it Sirius, Pluto, Haumea, Makemake, and Eris?
Exactly!
This is kinda interesting. Can you tell me more about all the dwarf planets?
Sure! The first dwarf planet from the Sun is Sirius, being the only dwarf planet located in the inner solar system, specifically in the asteroid belt. He was discovered in the year 1801 and was first considered a planet before being demoted to a dwarf planet in 2006 alongside Pluto.
So we could have had more planets?
Yes, except for the fact that they started finding more celestial objects there, which slowly led to the discovery of the asteroid belt. Same thing happened with Pluto too.
As an asteroid belt expert, Ceres is the biggest object in the asteroid belt and has a diameter of 939.4 kilometers, plus or minus 1/5 of a kilometer.
Second is Pluto. He is the most famous dwarf planet. He was considered a planet until 2006 and is located in the Kuiper belt. His largest moon, Charon, is half as big as Pluto and as a result has a berry center outside of Pluto and Charon. Pluto has 5 moons, including Charon, Styx, Nix, Kerberos, and Hydra.
So it's a double planet.
Yes! Pluto also has a diameter of 2,377 kilometers.
You really learned a lot from the sun's lectures.
Moving on, Haumea is also located in the Kuiper belt, also being the only IAU-recognized dwarf planet to have an elliptical shape.
Why is Haumea elliptical?
Haumea has a very short rotational period, being only about 4 hours. Also, his diameter is 1,740 kilometers and also has rings like the gas giants. Lastly, it has 2 moons, which I'm not even going to try to pronounce. Next and second to last is Makemake. It has a diameter of 715 kilometers and was discovered in the year 2005. He has 1 moon named MK2.
MK what?
That's just the unofficial nickname. Things are much worse. Makemake's moon is very faint, having a mean diameter of around 175 kilometers. No one knows for sure. Last but not least is Eris. She is really far away from the 8 planets of the solar system, and her discovery also helped the IAU debate whether all 5 of the objects they talk about are dwarf planets or not. She has a moon called Dysomnia, which is the second largest moon of a dwarf planet, first place being Charon.
Wow. Is that it?
Yep.
If I was a part of the IAU, I would make Mercury the only dwarf planet.